In this video, I'm going to show you how to order posters from FedEx. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their official website, then you want to click on Design and Print up top, and you want to click on Explore Print, Products, and Design. Whenever you do this, it's going to take you to office.fedex.com, and then in here, what you want to do is either scroll down and find the posters over here, or go to the top right, click on the search button, and type in poster just like this. Then of course you can go and hit either of these, or you can just press enter on your keyboard and it's going to look for all the different posters available. Okay, so over here, as you can see, poster, there we go, and we have a bunch of different things. We have poster prints, photo posters, mounted posters, etc. You can just select whichever one you want. I'm gonna go with poster prints over here, and you can also see the prices. You can filter by categories and stuff like that over here on the left. I'm going to click on over here, and it's going to give you everything you need to know. So the size, paper type, orientation, lamination, etc. And if you basically click on this, you can change it as well. Okay, so there's a bunch of different sizes, there's a bunch of different paper types, etc. There's a bunch of different stuff. Just customize it the way you want to have it. And then here you have to specify what quantity you want. So if you want 1, 2, or of course more, you're perfectly fine to do however many you want. And you can see over here that whenever you actually buy multiple, then they will basically get cheaper. Okay, so unit cost per unit is actually getting cheaper the more you order. So just so you know. Okay, now whenever you do that, here you have to either browse Canva design templates, or you can upload a file that you actually wish to order a poster in. So I'm going to upload a file over here. If I click on that, it's going to take me to a separate page. You have to wait for a few seconds for this to actually load up. And there we go. This is the product configurator, and in here you can upload your files, so you can browse the files. I'm just gonna click on a completely random thing over here, so I'll just find a random chart over here and click on open, and that's going to basically upload your file. And in here, in a few seconds, whenever that's done, it's going to prepare files for your print. And there we go. As you can see, it's going to give you kind of the preview of your poster, and then you can go ahead and of course change things here on the right, remove them, add them, stuff like that. And you can then just add this to cart or expressly go to checkout and order right away, and that way you can order posters from FedEx. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.